there's more seals over there, you think? Or just rocks?
I saw him.
He's taking a picture.
Sorry. Hmm?
I lived in Chile now. But I lived in many countries.
Where were you born? In Chile?
Technically, I was born in Honduras, but I was never. My mom was there for a little bit, but I never grew up there. So I lived in childhood, Chile, U.S., and Peru.
Oh, Mr. Worldwide.
Yeah.
Yeah, this stuff actually.
What'd you do then?
I did when I lived in Georgia, it was part of middle school, high school, and almost 3 years of university. Then I moved out, then I moved to Europe, then to Chile again.